Alina, you're looking so cute in this picture.
Yes, Alvina.
You're calling me Alina. I'm your elder sister. You should call me Didi.
Okay, Didi. Okay, Alvina.
Alina.
See, Didi, I'm looking so cute. I want to make a photo frame for it.
But I don't know how to make a photo frame.
We can make a photo frame from newspaper, no?
That's a good idea, Alina. We'll make a photo frame from newspaper.
Okay.
Alina, I found your first birthday picture. I'll give you a surprise in next video.
Yes, I love surprises. So, materials we got paper, newspaper, scissor, gum, and cardboard.
Let us start. From the corner of the newspaper, start rolling it. You should not roll like that, Alina. Follow my simple, easy steps.
But I can't roll in for the first one. Can you roll me little, please? Let's glue the pictures. From under the. Whoa. Do from there one. Oh, nice idea.
My ideas are always nice.
But my idea is wrong. But put it here, no? This looks good.
Do you want the gum?
Yeah. It looks like good for here, no?
This is a family photo frame. You can stick all your family members' photos.
Yes.
Alina, I have a surprise for you.
Is it?
Yes. Close your eyes. Open. You can make your own photo frames by customizing it in triangle, hexagon, and many other shapes. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe this